Okay, this is the second video in the closet organizer in the series of I don't know how many yet, but this is the second one. Where's Mia? There she is. There's a little puppy. She's my assistant. She was walking away. She's all right. That's it. You're fired. Okay. No, she's all right. Okay, so what I did was I got everything down. And this is the track. This is why I call it easy track, because it's all, I'm getting you all confused here. You see that? This is weird. Okay, see that? That's the track. That's the easy track. So once that's up and everything kind of rests on there, then you can kind of, you put holes in the wall and stuff like that to support it and stuff like that on the sides. But that track is holds the main weight. Anyways, that's where we are right now. It's all naked. And then now I'm going to start to put all the panels in there and everything else. So stay tuned.